What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It is hard to believe, but it is true. We are about to head into season 2, and Nick and I have been getting ourselves together, cleaning out the garage, doing all of the organizing that we do, and thankfully this is my second season traveling, and there's something that I've been hearing a lot lately from the baseball community, and it's from the women, and it is, I do not know what to pack. So I have something especially for you guys. I have made a PDF complete with everything we pack, from floss to our pillows to our brand new bed. Everything in between will be in this PDF. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave an emoji down below, your favorite emoji with your email address, and I will get it to you. We are super stoked, you guys. We have a completely different system that we're using this year, and I'm excited to share it with you. I think it's gonna really help us, and I think it will really help you. So a lot of videos coming, you guys, and we'll see you for the next one.